South African mourns the sudden loss of acclaimed actor Presley Tshweneyagye. South Africans are grappling with the heartbreaking news of the sudden passing of Presley Tshweneyagye, one of the country's most celebrated actors. His death was officially confirmed by Nina Morris Lee, CEO of talent agency Munin Lee and Associates. In a statement released earlier today, the statement said, "It is with profound sadness that we confirm the untimely passing of one of South Africa's most gifted and beloved actors, Presley Tshweneyagye. He was a gifted writer and director, co-authoring the internationally acclaimed stage play Relatively. His passion for empowering the next generation of artists will remain an integral part of his legacy. Details regarding memorial services will be shared in due course." Born and raised in Soweto, Presley rose to prominence through his breakthrough performance in the 2005 film Tsotsi, which garnered international acclaim and earned an Academy Award for Best Foreign Language Film. His powerful portrayal of a young gangster seeking redemption resonated with audiences worldwide and cemented his place in the pantheon of South African cinema. He went on to appear in several notable productions, including the critically acclaimed Mandela Long Walk to Freedom, and most recently captivated television audiences as Thuso Cobra Mokoena in Koprisi. The popular spin-off of The River, the role once again displays his depth of range and enduring charisma as a performer. Presley was more than just an actor, he was a storyteller and champion for youth empowerment. His contributions to theater and film, both on screen and behind the scenes, reflected a profound commitment to his craft and his community. A recent post on his official Instagram account, a poignant image without a caption, served as an unspoken farewell, deepening shock and sorrow felt by fans. The comment section has since become a space of public mourning. One said, "The way we are so quick to type RIP to celebs post, I wish we could celebrate you guys more while you are still alive. You will always be loved." Another one said, "Ain't no way Kopresi Easy passed away." Others struggled to accept the news. One said, "Is this true, guys?" Echoing the disbelief that has swept across social media. Another one said, "Can he respond once, cause I don't believe it." As tributes continue to pour in, Presley leaves behind a legacy that transcends the screen, a legacy of excellence, resilience, and heartfelt connection with audiences. South Africa has not only lost a formidable talent, but also a cultural beacon whose work will continue to inspire for generations to come. May his soul rest in peace. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.